Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save Instagram story with music. So, uh, generally, if you upload a story with a music and save or download it to your gallery, the music will be muted by the Instagram because of the copyright issue. But here I'm going to show you how you can save the Instagram story along with the music. So let's say I'm going to just upload. So I'm going to try click on the your story first, and let's say I want to add this photos right here with music. So I'm going to upload, or okay, I'm going to make a story like this and download it with the music. Here I'm going to show you the trick. So you need to open your DMs on Instagram and then open your friends chat in here or conversation, and here you can just click on the camera icon. So click on the camera icon and this camera will be open, and you can just choose the photo that you want to update to the story before. Okay, so I've already selected mine, and in here I'm going to click on a sticker icon at the top, select music in here, and then choose the music. Okay, so this is the same music that I selected before in the story. And here don't click on send yet, but check this box, the circles right here, to keep it in the chat. Now click on send and just wait until the video is sent. Okay, so now the video has been sent. You can just here see the video, this one, and let's strong press on it, and then here there will be an option to click on save. Tap on save, and now the video is saved. So when you open it in your gallery, it will be saved along with the music. So that's an Instagram trick for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.